We are jumping straight into installing the official Gmail app directly onto your laptop or desktop computer so you can access your emails instantly. The very first step is to open up your Google Chrome browser on your desktop. While you can technically do this on a few other web browsers, the steps we are doing today work perfectly and seamlessly inside Google Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, go ahead and navigate to the search bar or address bar and type in Gmail. Or you can go directly to the website by typing mail.google.com. Alternatively, if you are already signed into your Google account on your browser page, you can just click on the Google Apps grid icon in the top right corner and click on the Gmail icon. Now that you have your Gmail inbox open right in front of you, look up at the top right-hand corner of your browser window. You will see three vertical dots, which is your Chrome settings menu. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down this menu until you see the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Hover over that or click it, and a secondary side menu will pop open. Inside this side menu, look for the option that says Install Page as App. Click on that button. As soon as you click it, a small confirmation box will pop up asking if you want to install the app. Go ahead and click the Install button to confirm. The moment you do that, your browser window transforms, and you now have the dedicated Gmail app open in its own clean, standalone window without the usual browser search bar at the top. Now, the important thing is that a shortcut icon has been automatically placed right onto your computer desktop. If we back out of this app and close everything down, you will see the Gmail icon right there on your desktop screen. In the future, whenever you want to check your messages, you can just double-click that desktop shortcut. It opens up instantly, bypassing the need to open Chrome and type the URL every single time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.